You will note a particular style of hand drafting has been used, and the North Point has a rather nice sort of hand-drawn feel to it. What we want to do now is see if we can mimic that feel. And what we'll do is I'll turn on the logo layer, and what I've done is to create a text style that in which we're trying to imitate, if you like, the hand-drawn font. So here it is. If I right-click and go to Properties, my text style I've called RMO oblique, and the contents of that text, of course, is O'Reilly Landscape Design Inc. And although it's not a perfect match for the hand-drawn text, it's reasonably close. So we're getting some text. We can put some text in with a reasonable look and feel of the hand-drawn example. When it comes to the it's not a logo, it's a North Point indicator. What I've done there is use polylines to simply trace around the rectangle, and I've changed the width of those polylines. You may not have had experience in that, so let's do it. We'll switch to the logo layer. As I've emphasized, a good idea to separate things out on different layers, and I use the PL shortcut for polyline. If I just draw, whoops, there's that same problem again, so I need to get to turn off my scanned image so that I can handle things a lot easier. Now I can use the polyline command and just sort of, whoops, again, PL for polyline, look at the prompts, first point here, say second point there, third point there, and then down, enter, right click, repeat the polyline. I'll come down, and you can see I'm not trying to draw straight lines, and I'll enter again and repeat the polyline. Come over here, I'll bend up a little bit this time and go down there, enter, right click, repeat polyline, come down through here and to that point there. So I've got three little lines representing polylines. All I need to do is select each one and then right click and go to Properties and change the global width to, well, we'll try 1 and 1 unit, or 1, and in goes. So you can see how I've constructed that logo through there. That may well work as a very simple logo indeed, without the North Point indicator in it. These, or the polyline that goes up at an angle there, if I go to Properties, I think that's been made, yes, that's got a global width of 3 units. So you can, when you use polylines, you can change their width really quite easily, and it can be a useful graphic device to do that.